Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have Rocksbox. Oh my goodness, yes, Rocksbox. I love this. This is a jewelry rental subscription. They rent you 3 pieces of jewelry to 1 box. You pay $21 a month, not a box. So $21 a month, flat rate. You can get as many boxes as you want in a month, just one at a time. You send the stuff back, you get another box. They give you a preview, so you do get a little say on what you get sent. They also have a wish list where you can put what you want on there, and then they'll pick from the wish list. You can even prioritize it 1 through 8, and then, further on. I really like this subscription. You get Kendra Scott, Kate Spade, all kinds of brands I can't think of off the top of my head right now. What else do you need to know? 3 pieces, $21, send it back. Oh, the $21 is credited back to you if you decide to purchase one of your pieces, which I do on occasion. I even, like last month, I purchased one for my bestie. I ended up keeping the whole box of my last month's. I don't even know if I posted that one yet. I guess I need to. She wanted one of the necklaces. I wanted the other 2, so I kept everything. So I used my $21 credit. They actually were having a 25% off, so I got a discount on top of that. And then we purchased some earrings through the company that would match. It was very fun. We're both very excited about it. If you want to try this box, I do have a code that will get you your first set free and $25 of forever credit. That means you can keep the credit and use it whenever you want to. It doesn't expire. The code is GINA-BFF45. I will put it down here so you can see it. But right now, we're going to open this box and see what's inside. And y'all, as soon as you get this in the mail and the mail lady scans it, they're working on your next box. It is really fast and efficient. They've made the box nice and classic and sleek this time. Very cute. Y'all, I'm going to cancel me some texts. You know how all the companies want you to let them text you now? Well, I signed up for too many. Now I get them all the time. I'm going to cancel some. Do you know how to cancel those? All you got to do is type in stop and send it, and you're unsubscribed to those texts. So just a little hint. That's what I've been doing. So here is what it looks like on the inside. This says shine bright. And on the back is how you care for your jewelry. Look at that. Oh, pretty. On the inside, ooh, I got 2 Kendra Scotts. I love me some Kendra Scotts, y'all. I was so tickled. We took my little niece to the store for her birthday because during your birthday month at the Kendra Scott store, they will give you half off of 1 piece. Now, you do have to show them some sort of ID to prove it is your birthday month. With my niece, we actually took her birth certificate because she was too young. She didn't have a driver's license or a state ID or anything like that. So keep that in mind if you do go to the store. But I do love the store. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. And you can build your own necklace. I was a good girl. I didn't buy anything. I tend to wait and buy it through here. Let's just open one up. Oh, I remember picking these now. They're so pretty. They're purple. So this is the Kendra Scott framed Elsa pendant in Rhodium and Lavender Opalite illusion. It is a $65 necklace, but look how pretty it is. Silver background to this beautiful lavender opalite. I love it. $65. They don't give you a discount on the Kendra Scott. They do on other ones. I think I'm at like a 5% discount, but you work your way up. The more you buy, the more of a discount you'll get later on. Look at the little Kendra Scott emblem. I think it's so cute. Beautiful, beautiful necklace. I like the chain of it too, that it has a little bit of detail on it. And this is one of those slide extendables. It's 1 spot to clip, and then this slides down to adjust it. So you just put it on and then adjust it to the length you want, which I really, really like, because you know me, I have a difficult time. putting these on. Please excuse the fact that I'm broke out right here, y'all. So let me put it all the way down, just so you can see it away from my other necklace I have on. Here. Oh, lovely. I think it's still pretty. What do y'all think? Is it pretty? Oh, I want to keep it. It's purple, of course I want to keep it. So the other one I got is matching the earrings. This is the Kendra Scott framed Elle drop earrings in Rhodium and Lavender Opalite Illusion. They are $75, and y'all, they're bigger. They're bigger than I thought they were going to be. I was expecting them to be this size. They're not. Ooh, they're not. Look at that. There are some big whopping earrings, but they are really pretty. $75 though. I mean, I'd never be able to purchase these, but now I get to wear them. I have that $21, and I could wear them all month if I wanted to. I could keep them for 2 months if I wanted to. But the longer you keep them, the more you're going to pay. Eventually, you could have just bought them. So I normally only keep them for a couple weeks, and then I send them back. And I probably have Rocksboxes from all the way back to Christmas that I haven't posted because I get so many of them. But I mean, it's pretty, but I mean, for these to be in the same, you know, the same thing, you'd think they would match a little better, not just the purple. They should be about the same size. I personally feel, you know, that one should be bigger or these should be smaller. But they'll be fun to wear. I would wear them. I would definitely wear them because I don't mind a big earring every once in a while. Most of the time I wear a big earring, let's be honest. Those are so cute. Y'all, should I pay $75 for those? I kind of like these better than I like the necklace. What do y'all think? Oh my gracious. Let's look at the last piece, which is an Ava Rose piece. This is the Mesa Drops in Gold and Lapis. $55. Now, Lapis is a natural stone. Yes, mineral girl, I do know that. And they're kind of big too. It was just, you know, they were fun. And I thought, oh, these will be fun. So, you know, they won't match what I'm wearing. But yeah, we're going to try them on. Y'all can tell me what you think. And I just like those earrings. They're purple. See, they're fun. The bottom disc is a little big for me. I find that I keep them, stuff like that, and then I never want to wear them because I feel like the big disc is too much. So I've kind of backed off on keeping big discs like this, but I like them. I think they're cute. A little heavy on my ears, but not horrible. Anybody know how I get this table to stop squeaking? Oh my goodness, it's driving me crazy. What do y'all think of this month's set? Well, I can't really say this month because I get multiple boxes in 1 month. But what do you think of this particular set I got from Rocksbox? Have you tried Rocksbox? Do you like Rocksbox? All that good stuff. I want you to put it below in the comment section so I can read it and see what y'all think. Don't forget, if you want to try Rocksbox, I do have that code, or there is a link below that you can press. No, there's not a link. You just go to rocksbox.com and then you put in my code to get that $25 and your first box free. So yeah, that's fun. I like it. I hope y'all try it. I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. There is a big red button right down here. All you gotta do is press that. It doesn't charge you a thing. It just brings you back to my channel. It pops it up on your little home page, and I just love it, and I appreciate it so very much. I'd also appreciate if you share with your friends, press the notification bell, and if you want to donate to the cause, there are 2 ways to do that. You can press the super thanks, which is like tipping through YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com. I'm under Unboxed by G. I'd appreciate it if you do that. Don't feel obligated in any way to ever do it. Y'all, it is just a thank you if you want to give it, but your comments work just as well. Y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe on St. Patrick's Day. Y'all, God bless.